안녕하세요, 드레입니다. 저는 미국 사람 그리고 20몇 너는 아니네. 저는 미국 사람 그리고 20몇 살이요입니다. 네, 맞아. Hey guys, it's me Trey. Welcome to my channel. It is January 7th of the new year 2024 and I can't keep eye contact with the camera. So this is my first vlog ever, I think. So today we're gonna start with skincare. I already brushed my teeth, otherwise I would not be speaking in this camera. 가자. 가요. 가자. 네. First things first, I'm gonna release. Drop this and let the whole world feel it. Probably just gonna mute this part and yeah. Oh. Cleanser! So I use her. I be at home playing fetch by a swimming pool. I'm a real big dog, scrappy dude doing all the right shit. You knowing him. It's my toner. Okay, skincare's done and it's like 8:30, 9 o'clock now and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go make some eggs, I think. Yeah. 가자. Alright y'all, so we're in the kitchen now. I hope this angle comes out good because I can't see. Yeah, but like I said, it's 9 o'clock and I'm currently trying to like cut. So I'm gonna just eat eggs for breakfast. Let me see. Look, it's giving grade A. Extra large. Bought these with my own money. Hey. But yeah, apartment tour coming soon. Oh. Sound like somebody in my basement or something. What is that? Yeah, this is my little non-stick pan or whatever. So I don't have no butter and I don't have regular milk. I usually use one or the other really, but I only have almond milk. I'm not using almond milk and no eggs because I don't know, I'm already lactose, so hey. How many eggs is good for one person? 6? 4? Oh, I got a shell in there. I got another one in there. Oh, 2. Alright, I'm gonna just have to eat the other shell because I ain't got time. I don't know, they used to call me Chef Boy or D back in Washington because I used to be whipping it up. Oh my gosh, story time. So when I was in Washington, I took a culinary class, right? It was like real early in the day, I would say 3rd period, right? And the teacher we had would talk a lot. And when I say a lot, like the class was about 40 minutes long and about 20 minutes would be her just talking about her life. She was cool though, you know what I'm saying? I guess I let the end sit here too long, y'all.
Hey.
But basically one day, our assignments were cookies, right? You had to make cookies, but from scratch. So batter, everything. Mind you, like I said, we couldn't get started until she stopped talking. I got cheese. Hold on now. Think I might got some cheese, y'all. I'm already lactose. So, my fourth period class was Spanish, and I was passing Spanish. So sometimes when we would run over on time, I would go to my fourth period class and ask my teacher if I could stay behind and like finish up, right? This particular day was a really late day. Like she talked so much that we didn't even get to start our batter. So me being me, I was like, oh, it's okay guys, you guys can go to class, like I'll, you know, figure it out. I stayed behind and I made the batter, right? And as I'm making it, like, how do I say this? I could not for the life of me measure ingredients properly. And I know everything was labeled, but I'm walking around. She yelled at me a couple of times because I would put wet ingredients and dry ingredient scoops and vice versa, right? This time, I read the instructions wrong. And it was the most it was the worst possible instruction to get wrong. In the list, it was like 1 cup sugar. I got a cup of salt. It was labeled, but mind you, they all look identical. They weren't like in actual salt containers. They were in like these clear containers with the labels on them or whatever. But everybody was using them. I didn't pay attention. I just scooped the cup of salt in there. And I remember this girl, I don't know her name. She was an op for real. But basically I took the bowl to her and I was like, hey, I have a issue or whatever. She's like, what's wrong? And I was like, I put a bunch of salt in here. I put a cup of salt instead of a cup of sugar. And she was like, oh, let me see. She grabs my bowl and does this. I was sick to my stomach. Oh my God. So, it was way too late to start over in the process. And I don't even think we had enough ingredients to restart everything. So I decided to put about 2 cups of sugar in there to like overcompensate, really. So I put it in the freezer, and then the very next day we all come in and the teacher's like, okay, you guys are gonna start baking today. And all the guys are freaking out. They're like, oh man, like we didn't even do the batter yesterday. And I was like, guys, don't worry, I got it. So we get our batter out, whatever, and we're baking the cookies, right? Immediately, we're done. Like we're like the first group done because we had our batter ready. Now, they're all sitting down. The cookies are a little, like they're not burnt, they're like a little overdone, right? Which a lot of people like their cookies like that, so they did. So I just remember this guy named Blake, he bit into his cookie and he went, and I just could not help but laugh. It's a little salty. And I was like, oh. So I tried one of the cookies and it was a little salty, but you couldn't really, like it wasn't salty, but you could taste the salt. So at the end of class, everybody was supposed to take the cookies home, and we spent about 15 minutes arguing over who was gonna take them home because nobody wanted salt cookies. All right, y'all, this is how my eggs came out. It's gonna be my breakfast with some water. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it fills me right on up. Cheese, eggs, and some water from Arrowhead. So yeah, my camera's probably about to die, so I'm gonna just come back later. I have spent an hour trying to learn this dance. It's just not gonna work out. Like, I'm not gonna quit, but I just know I'm not gonna do it as good as I wish I could. You know what I'm saying? It's too hard. Like, sometimes, like, I wish I had the dancer gene. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know how people can naturally, like, how you say, naturally do stuff, right? They naturally get gifted, naturally talented, whatever you're trying to say. Some people know how to cook. Some people know how to just swim. Some people know how to just do stuff. I wish I knew how to dance, okay? It's 10:39. At 11, if I don't have it down pat, just this one part, I'm only on this one part. If I have this part actually good in the next 20 minutes, 20, 30 minutes, or whatever, I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna set up the camera and I'm gonna record it. And yeah, and if it's good, I'll put it in, you know what I'm saying? If not.
I'm trying something new, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, hopefully ain't nobody in there. I know they be doing yoga classes in there and stuff like that, and I'm just, nah. So if they is in there, I'm not going. I'm sorry. I mean, if it's like 1 or 2 people in there, cool. I'm gonna just ask them if that's okay. But, I'm scared. And I did change, okay? Not too much. Yeah. I don't know how to do the light in here. So, but there's nobody in here. So it's just me. Everybody can see me if they walk by though. I don't really care. Yeah. Okay. I'm excited. All right. Holy shit. Okay, that was close. That was one more time. So I'm gonna do it 0.75 speed because it's easier that way. Obviously it's slower. And then I'll show you the regular speed. Okay, the regular speed is insane. .75 is really good. And then regular speed is not good. So, okay. One more time. I think that's the best we're gonna get. I need more practice. This hard. And I keep forgetting some of the steps. I don't know which one of y'all lied and said I was gonna look cool dancing or whatever. Count your days. Trust, you will be dealt with. Okay, so back in my room, I'm finna cook because I'm hungry, and I'm gonna cook some chicken. I think I'm gonna make teriyaki chicken. I'm gonna try to teriyaki it up. I don't have no butter, y'all. But I was gonna make chicken, teriyaki chicken, and fried rice because I got these mixed vegetables and I got rice. I got like 4 different types of rice actually, maybe 5. So we got arroz de grano largo. Honestly, I stole this for, I didn't steal it actually. They got rice-a-roni. Cheddar broccoli, the best, I think. It's either this or it's a cheese one, but this one's really good. Cheddar broccoli's really good. Then we got the Knorr, you know what I'm saying? Is this also? Oh, urban butter. This one's really good too. And then we got Success? Is that the name of the brand? It's bagged rice. I know this is weird, but it's literally like a bag and you just put it in the water and it boils out. I think it just pops open. Yeah, it cooks in 10 minutes, all that good stuff.
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. I hope you understand.
I met my husband when I was 17, not in Queens. If you level let it go, now I know what that means. While he was up north for a body, I body everybody, ain't got no for my body.
Alright, let me chill out. Okay, so this, focus on me. Okay, this is the final product, you know what I'm saying? Teriyaki chicken and then fried rice. I think I did that.
And you would do it too for a check.
Today was fun. 반갑습니다. Thank you for watching. 감사합니다. Truly. And until next time. 안녕하세요.